Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine here. So now, after Heron's formula, we are again here. This time, our topic will be to find area of a quadrilateral whose four sides and one diagonal is given. So our shape will be like this. Okay, A, B, C, D, and one diagonal will be also given there. Okay, one diagonal will be also given here. Okay, in that case they will give you this is P unit, this one is Q unit, this one is R unit, and this one is S unit, and this one is suppose that X unit. So all these lengths will be given, and then we have to find the area of this quadrilateral here. So I hope you are knowing what sir is going to do here. Yes, very good. We are knowing this, how to find the area of such type of triangle. So let me draw this again here. So our picture is like this. Okay, it can be like this. Okay, this is my A, B, C, D. Now understand here, this quadrilateral, if I have to find the area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D, so it can be written like this, that is equal to area of triangle A, B, D plus area of triangle B, D, C. Okay, and area of triangle ABD and BDC can be obtained by using Heron's formula, or if it is there, anything can be there, the shape can be different also. Suppose that this is the main basic, so we can find the area of this quadrilateral like this. Now we will discuss about the shapes. What type of shapes can be there? Suppose that the shape is like this. A, B, C, D. Okay. Then in this case, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of right triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Now this area can be obtained by Heron's formula. Okay, we can use here Heron's formula, and this area will be obtained by 1 by 2 into BC into AB. So understood? This type of picture can come here. Okay, we can find like this also. Suppose that we are having one different shape. Suppose that these angles are suppose 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this also is 60 degree. Clear? That means area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay, like this you write here, that area of right triangle ABC plus area of equilateral triangle. Am I right? Yes, equilateral triangle ACD, that is A, C and D. So its formula will be 1 by 2 into base is BC into AB plus, and this one is root 3 by 4 into any one side, because all sides are equal only, any side you can take, square unit. So this type of steps can come here. You have to only apply your mind and you have to remember the formula of these triangles and you can easily find. One example we are going to solve. Okay, randomly we have selected one example and we will solve this, and I hope you will understand from that. Okay, let me solve one question based on this. Okay, questions can be like this. See here. Find the area of given figure. Okay, and figure will be like this. Yes, it's a quadrilateral. Here it is D, here is C, that is B, this is A, this is 9, this is 90 degree, this one is 40, okay, this one is 41, this one is 15 and this one is 28. Okay, so area of this quadrilateral is, what type of shape is there? One is right triangle, one is scalene triangle. So area of ABCD is equal to area of right triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, so now we are going to, I will not erase this figure, but I will erase these lines and then we'll see how it can be solved. So what is that area of triangle? Right triangle. This one is the right triangle and this one is the scalene triangle. So now let us find the area. First of all, I will find the area of triangle ABC. So here I am solving. Area of triangle ABC. Directly use the formula 1 by 2 into base into height. So it is here 180 centimeter square. This is the part 1. Now come here for area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. That will be obtained by Heron's formula. Okay, understood? Now why Heron's is so important? It's not given angle, not given equilateral triangle, so even then you can find the area of the triangle here. So now this area will be, directly I am doing here. First of all, I will find S. S is 15 plus 28 plus 41. So this one is 84 by 2. That one is 42 centimeter. I have found my S. This is 42 centimeter. Now I will apply this in the formula only. Okay. So area of triangle ADC is equal to under root. What was that? That has come there. It was coming here that 42, no? That one was coming 42 only. So it is 42 into S. 42 minus 15. 42 minus 41 into 42 minus 28 square unit. That centimeter square. So that ultimately area is under root 42 means 14 into 3. 42 minus 25, 15 means 27. And then this is 1 only and this is 14 here. So 14 into 14, that means 14 will come outside. Then 27 into 3, 81, that means 1 will come outside. So that area is 126 centimeter square. But this is the area of this triangle. So now we are in the position to write the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So now I am writing directly here. See, this is the first part, 180 centimeter square. Second part, 126 centimeter square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, now finally I am writing here, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, this one was 180 plus, that means 1 plus 2, that means 180 plus 126, so that is 306 centimeter square. So I hope you understood how we can find the area of quadrilateral when it's 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay class, thank you very much for this.